Stop, dude. Everyone needs to be quiet, okay?
Wait, why did you just be quiet again?
Shut up, dude.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you.
Alright, welcome to Brianna's DIY world. Today I'm going to be doing decorating Easter eggs. I have a bunch of making some different natural dyes. And then doing other little fun little crafts with on the eggs. So just had a bunch of different ideas that I found on Pinterest and seeing if they actually work or not. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And let's get into the video. So I put a cup of water into each of these. So the one in the back, I'm going to be doing 3 tablespoons of chili powder, and then the one in the front, I'm going to be doing 1.5 tablespoons of cumin and 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric. Once the spices are added to the water, just mix it up. Once your mixture is boiling, turn it off, add a tablespoon of vinegar, and then let it cool down. So I'm using a cup, but you can pour it into a bowl or whatever other things that are great for dipping eggs into. For these colors, I'm going to be putting a cup of water into the front one and then grape juice into the back one. So I've already gotten a cup of blueberries and mashed them up, so I'm just putting that into the first bowl. So I let these ones boil for a little bit longer, put in a tablespoon of vinegar, and then let them cool. So I put the eggs into the dye, and then I let them sit for a little while. I kept pulling them out to make sure until they got about what the different colors I wanted. So it's just kind of like a learn. If you want them darker, you leave them in long. If you want them lighter, then leave them in a little bit less. But it's actually really cool. Alright, the next one I tried is this cute little unicorn egg. So I first cut a little square with a paper and then a little curvature on one side. I then rolled it up, put a little hot glue on the little end there, and then put some white paint over it and then covered it in glitter. So just dab a little bit of hot glue, and then I put the horn right on. And then after that, I just added some cute little metal pieces I had around, but you can do flowers or other little trinkets you have, so it's all up to you. And then you just draw out a cute little face. You can do eyes or different things or how I did it, but this is really up to you because it is your Easter eggs and you are awesome. For this next one is this cute little bunny, so I cut out some bunny ears with scissors, and then I drew a face on it, and then added a little bit of tape to the top and a little bit of bow to make it a little cuter. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with these. And if you make them too, send me pictures on Instagram. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up and have a wonderful time. And know you are awesome.